Ano?
Are you aware that President Trump only uses internet because of cyber-tech for their enemies? Yes. That's why we should be under government system. But when non-students are working that suffer that, how about they? They can use internet, but if they are not doing those things, why they should intervene in the restriction of the government and about their privacy? Are you aware that internet is providing crime? Are you blind with these those issues that are happening in my country?
So, how about the people who are watching using the internet? They can make a question for what that can for information.
But dear opponents, there are pieces which provide direct events happening around the world. There are pieces which provide current events happening around the world. They cannot update
that for internet, right?
yeah, but without internet, they cannot update it also with the use of the television, radios, and others.
But how about if that day they could hear it from the radio or from watching the television?
There are newspapers.
But now,
My dear opponents, I am the one asking this question.
next question.
Are you sure that they are doing good in the internet?
Wala, look at this
Not
naman.
sure, are you? Very sure. It is time to example. Thank you.
Thank you.